Dear comrades, this is the second part of MACP 2 I intend to discuss today. In this part, I am coming to 6th CPC, effective from 1 and 2006. The structure of pay scales is effective from 1 and 2006, whereas the MACP scheme is effective only from 1/9/2008. In this session, I want to discuss the normal fixation as on 1/2006 of the pay generally, and in respect of merged and upgraded scales. First, let me discuss the normal fixation. For normal fixation, the pre-revised pay in the relevant pay scale may be multiplied by the factor of 1.86 and the resultant figure may be rounded to next 10. And with this, the grade pay corresponding to the pre-revised scale and the relevant pay band may be added. The grade pay is normally decided 40% on the maximum of the relevant pre-revised scale. There may be some differences with regard to the upgraded or merged scales. This is the normal course of fixation with the pay fixation option to get one's pay not from 1/2006 but on the date of accrual of next increment after 1/2006. Such option can be given only against one post. The next part I want to discuss with regard to the promotions obtained prior to 6th CPC, how the scales of those promoter scales are fitted into 6th CPC. When there is no upgradation or no merging of scales with regard to those promoter scales, and simply when there is a replacement in respect of those scales, the general formula is the pay drawn on 1/2006 may be multiplied by a factor of 1.86 and rounding to the next 10 and order the grade pay relevant to the pre-revised scale. The problem arises with regard to such promotions obtained prior to 6th CPC, and in respect of those scales, there is an upgraded scale recommended as per 6th CPC and accepted by the government, as also the merged scales. How the pay fixations can be done in this scale? With regard to upgraded scale, the normal pre-revised pay as on 1/2006 is to be multiplied by 1.86 and rounding to next 10. And with regard to grade pay, the grade pay as applicable to the upgraded scale may be added. But with regard to the merged scales, that is in respect of promotion scale or basis scales obtained prior to 6 CPC and merged into a single scale in 6 CPC. For example, Group D. With Group D, there are umpty number of clarification available. And let us discuss later on. But generally, I want to stress only 2 points. With regard to Group D scales, all the Group D scales are merged into one, and the Group D category itself is abolished, and the new Group C cadre has been created in the name of multitasking staff. And the 4 Group D scales, that is starting from 2550, 2610, 2 types of scales, and 2750. All these scales are merged into one with a grade pay of 1800. Here, the initial instruction is with regard to the matriculates Group D, the upgraded scale and grade pay may be fixed straight away, and the due arrears, everything is to be paid. But with regard to non-matriculate, there is a training, specified training. After the specified training, they may also be brought into the grade pay of 1800. But in the meantime, as a temporary measure, there is a provision of replacement of IS scale. And it is only a temporary nature, and we need not bother about and delve into those IS scales. And this merged scales for the grade pay of 1800, the tables are also provided in the Memorandum Data 38 2008 along with the other tables. Now, our next concern is the promotions due between 1 and 2006 and 31/8/2008, because during this period the MACP is not available. Only the promotional revenues also obtained in the 5th CPC can be applied during this period. Promotions. Due promotions during this period, we can divide into two, that is TBOB and BCR, one set. Another set is ACP. The ACP was introduced in August 1999, unlike the TBOB and the BCR. TBOB, as everybody knows, is effective from 30/11/83 and BCR 110/91. Where the BCR TBOB scales are next promotional scales, as also in respect of ACP also next promotional scales. But under MACP scheme, everything is brought into the hierarchy of grade pay, not the scale. Now, with regard to the clerical cadre, there may not be much difference in awarding TBOB or BCR during this period. But there are many intersections with regard to this merged scale of Group D on the upgraded scale of Postman on the ACP scale. In respect of upgraded or the merged scales, Postal Directorate has issued 3 clarificatory orders. The first one is dated 5/19/2009 with regard to Postman scale. In it, it has been clarified, since the Postman scale has been upgraded to 3200, in respect of TBOB BCR Postman, the promotion of which obtained prior to 2006, their pay may be fixed as on 1/2006 with regard to TBOB Postman on the grade pay of 2400, and for BCR Postman the grade pay of 2800. Followed by this, on 6/9/2010, the Postal Directorate has issued another order with regard to the merged scales of Group D, stating, in respect of Group D officials for their promotions obtained prior to 1/2006 as per 5th CPC, for TBOB Group D, their grade pay in the revised scale may be fixed as 1900, and the BCR Group D, the grade pay may be fixed as 2000. Then the order dated 18/7/2011 also has elaborate clarifications on these 2 items. But all of a sudden, with the issue of the orders dated 4/11/2013, the Postal Directorate nullified the earlier 3 clarificatory orders, and the revised clarifications have been issued. As per the revised clarifications dated 4/11/2013, it has been divided into 1. When there is a defined promotional cadre hierarchy, and there is no defined promotional post hierarchy. When there is no defined promotional hierarchy, the pay may be fixed in normal course by multiplying the pay as on 1/2006 by 1.86, rounded up to next 10, and the corresponding grade pay. When there is an upgradation of scale of a particular post, even though when there is no promotional hierarchy, after normal fixation, the grade pay applicable to the upgraded post may be given. For Group D, for which scales are merged, their TBOB Group D scale need not be taken into account, since up to the level of TBOB scales, the 4 Group D scales are getting merged with effect from 1/2006. Hence, in respect of them, the next due promotion is only BCR. In respect of the Group D, who are treated as Group C under the nomenclature of multitasking staff. Their BCR promotion due from 1/1/2006 and 31/8/2008 may be given by applying 3% of enhancement in their revised scale of grade pay of 1,800, and after adding 3%, the grade pay of 1,900 only to be given. This is for Group D. For postmen also, since their TBOB scale has got upgraded there is no question of considering such a TBOB postman, promotion of which obtained prior to 1/1/2006, to be fixed in the revised scale. For them also, any BCR promotion due between 1/1/2006 and 31/8/2008, their BCR scale may be fixed under with a grade pay of 2,800. For the TBOB obtained prior to 1/1/2006, as on 1/1/2006, they may get only 2,400 grade pay only, not more than that. The next part is when there is a post of promotion hierarchy in the revised scale. In this case, when there is an upgradation of post and grade pay, para 6 of the Annexure 1 of the MACP orders that 19/5/2009 is to be applied. In respect of such upgradation, the ACP officials due for ACP promotion between 1/1/2006 and 31/8/2008, an option has been extended either to come over straight away to the new pay structure with the effect from 1/1/2006, or with the effect from or after getting the ACP promotion in the upgraded post or the upgraded scale with the upgraded grade pay. In this case, the pay as on 1/1/2006 up to the date of they are getting ACP in the upgraded post, they may get only pre-revised scale. The revised scale can be given only after getting the option executed or implemented. When there is no corresponding promotion hierarchy in the revised scale, and when there is no upgradation, in respect of options of any upgradation, the ACP officials may get the usual pay fixation as on 1/1/2006 with respect to previous ACP, or the next ACP from 1/1/2006 they may get in the revised scale when there is no upgradation. When there is no corresponding post, promotional post, in the absence of anything. There is, in respect of isolated post, a clarification has already been issued data 9/9/2010 how to fix their pay. In their case, they may get only the 3% hike with the next grade pay in the grade pay hierarchy. After everything is over, after this process is over, with the effect from 1/9/2008, the MACP orders are to be implemented. At that time, all the previous promotions with regard to the merged scale, upgraded scales, and everything, and the ignoring of the promotions of the same grade in respect of upgraded scales, everything should be reviewed, and the number of promotion are to be counted. Then only these ACP promotions or revised MACP promotions are to be applied. That can be discussed in my next third segment, for which I think I will be shortly coming over this. Thank you, comrade.